What's going on here? What happened?
What's going on here دلته څه روان دي What happened څه واقع شول
Mom. Peter does not love me. He does not want to marry me.
مورې Peter does not love me Peter له ما سره مینه نه کوي He does not want to marry me هغه نه غواړي چې له ما سره واده وکړي marry ویل کېږي واده کول
What? This cannot be happening. His mom asked for a proposal.
What sir This cannot be happening دا نشي واقع کېدلی His mom asked for a proposal د هغې مور غوښتنه کړې وه د واده د وړاندیز لپاره
I am sorry. I will talk to my mom. She does not know about my choice.
I am sorry زه بخښنه غواړم I will talk to my mom زه به له خپلې مور سره خبرې وکړم She does not know about my choice هغه زما د انتخاب باره کې نه پوهیږي choice ویل کېږي انتخاب ته
I don't want to see your face. Get lost. My daughter is not a toy.
I don't want to see your face زه نه غواړم چې ستا مخ ووینم Get lost بهر ووځه My daughter is not a toy زما لور لانځکه نه ده toy ویل کېږي لانځکه
You broke my daughter's heart. She is in the hospital because of you.
You broke my daughter's heart تا زما د لور زړه مات کړ heart ویل کېږي زړه ته She is in the hospital هغه په هسپتال کې ده because of you ستا له وجې
I don't love your daughter. She is forcing me.
I don't love your daughter زه ستا د لور سره مینه نه کوم She is forcing me هغه ما مجبوروي
I will talk to your mom.
I will talk to your mom زه به ستا له مور سره خبرې وکړم
Have a good day. I have to go now.
Have a good day ښه ورځ ولرې I have to go now زه باید اوس لاړ شم
Mom. I love Peter. I cannot live without him.
مورې I love Peter زه له پیټر سره مینه کوم I cannot live without him زه د هغه نه بغیر ژوند نشم کولی
Be brave, my sweetie. He does not love you.
Be brave my sweetie زړور وشه زما خوږې brave ویل کېږي زړور He does not love you هغه له تا سره مینه نه کوي
I love you, Peter. When will you propose me?
I love you Peter زه تا سره مینه کوم پیټره When will you propose me ته به کله وړاندیز کوي ماته propose ویل کېږي د واده وړاندیز
I cannot wait anymore. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I know you love me.
I cannot wait anymore زه نور انتظار نشم کولی I am so lucky زه ډېر خوش قسمته یم to have you in my life چې تا په خپل ژوند کې لرم I know زه پوهیږم you love me چې ته هم له ما سره مینه کوي
Sister, you look happy. What's the reason?
Sister خورې you look happy ته خوشحاله ښکاري happy ویل کېږي خوشحاله What's the reason څه وجه ده reason ویل کېږي وجه
It was the best day of my life.
It was the best day of my life دا زما د ژوند تر ټولو ښه ورځ وه
Are you thinking about Peter?
Are you thinking about Peter آیا ته د پیټر باره کې سوچ کوې
Jasmine. What are you talking about?
Jasmina what are you talking about ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوي
You were not so happy before. May I know the reason?
You were not so happy before ته مخکې دومره خوشحاله نه وې May I know the reason آیا د دې وجې باره کې زه پوهېدلی شمه
You have been happy ever since you met Peter.
You have been happy ته خوشحاله یې ever since د کوم وخت نه چې ever since ویل کېږي د کوم وخت نه چې you meet Peter چې تا له پیټر سره ملاقات وکړ
Peter is a good boy. He likes
Peter is a good boy پیټر یو ښه هلک دی he likes you هغه له تا سره he likes you هغه تا خوښوي
you.
Jasmine. You are very smart.
Jasmina you are very smart ته ډېره هوښیاره یې smart ویل کېږي هوښیار
Do you love Peter?
Do you love Peter آیا ته پیټر سره مینه کوې
Yes, I love him a lot. He also loves me.
Yes ho I love him a lot زه له هغه سره ډېره مینه کوم He also loves me هغه هم له ما سره مینه کوي
What?
He is a rich boy. We are poor.
he is a rich boy هغه یو مالدار هلک دی rich ویل کیږي مالداره we are poor موږ غریبانان یو poor ویل کیږي غریب
Mom, I love him a lot. He also loves me. He will propose me.
مورې I love him a lot زه له هغه سره ډېره مینه کوم he also love me هغه هم له ما سره مینه کوي he will propose me soon هغه به ډېر ژر د ما وړاندیز وکړي هغه به زر وړاندیز وکړي
Soon.
He is a good boy, Mom.
he is a good boy mom هغه یو ښه هلک دی مورې
Keep quiet, Jasmine. You are just a
keep quiet Jasmine خاموشه اوسه جاسمینه you are just a kid ته یوازې یو ماشومه یې kid ویل کیږي ماشوم ته
kid. Rose. You cannot marry him. He is very rich. His mom will not accept you.
Rosa, you cannot marry him ته له هغه سره واده نشي کولی he is very rich هغه ډېر مالدار دی his mom will not accept you د هغې مور به تا قبوله نه کړي accept ویل کیږي قبلول
You have to stay in your limits. I don't want to lose you, my sweet.
You have to stay in your limits ته باید په خپل حد کې اوسې I don't want to lose you my sweetie زه نه غواړم چې تا له لاسه ورکړمه زما خوږې lose ویل کیږي لاسه ورکول او limit ویل کیږي حد ته
He is sincere with me, Mom. He will convince his.
He is sincere with me هغه له ما سره مخلص دی sincere ویل کیږي مخلص صفا دی ما سره he will convince his mom هغه به خپله مور convince کړي مطلب قانع به کړي convince ویل کیږي قانع کول
Mom, I just care about you, Rose. They are rich people. They can do anything.
I just care about you Rose یوازې ستا باره کې فکر کوم خیال دې ساتم روزه They are rich people دوی مالداره خلک دي They can do anything دوی هر څه کولی شي
Anything. I love you so much, my sweetie. I have lost my husband. I don't want to lose.
I love you so much my sweetie زه تا سره ډېره مینه کوم زما خوږې I have lost my husband ما خپل میړه لاسه ورکړی دی I don't want to lose you زه نه غواړم چې تا لاسه ورکړم
Lose you. Mom, Peter loves me a lot. You should meet him once.
Mom مورې Peter loves me a lot Peter له ما سره مینه کوي ډېره You should meet him once ته باید یو ځل هغه سره ملاقات وکړې